How to apply a Shopee voucher at checkout. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. In this video, I will guide you on how you can apply a Shopee voucher at checkout. For this, you want to open up the Shopee app on your device. Make sure to sign into your account. Now, if you want to view your Shopee voucher, simply tap on the vouchers/discount option on the home screen. Then it will take you to this page here where you can view all of your vouchers or discount from here. Now, if you want to use this during checkout, what you want to do is simply explore the app and find the products you want to purchase. Then you want to tap on the option of add to cart. Now tap on the cart icon over here, select the products that you want to purchase. After that, down below you have the voucher/discount option. Go ahead and tap on that. Now you want to select the voucher that you want to use. After that, tap on the OK option, or if you have a voucher code, tap on this box and simply enter the code over here. After that, tap on the apply button next to it. Once you do that, that voucher code will be successfully applied. As you can see over here, the voucher/discount has been successfully added. Now tap on the checkout option. After this, you will have to enter your delivery address, then add a payment method. Once all of that is done, simply tap on the place order option, and in this way you can apply a Shopee voucher at checkout. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.